Ever felt confused about how to turn on or off your AirPods? Let's dive into the simple yet smart world of AirPods power management. First things first, there's no physical power button on your AirPods themselves. And here's why: your AirPods are designed for instant use, and they are always ready to go when you are. The magic happens with the case. Opening the charging case automatically turns on your AirPods and connects them to your paired device. You'll see a handy status light, typically green or amber, indicating the charge level. This is the first step in bringing your AirPods to life. When you put your AirPods in your ears, they detect that you have them in. The music automatically starts and continues until you remove them from your ears. Now, putting AirPods back into their case and closing the lid automatically turns them off and disconnects them from your device. This also initiates the charging process, so they are ready for your next use when you pop them back out. You can also disconnect them without using the case. If you have your Bluetooth turned on your phone settings, you can manually disconnect your AirPods. You can also turn off your Bluetooth altogether. These are other ways to ensure your AirPods will shut off. In essence, your AirPods control their power through case interactions and ear detection, eliminating the need for manual on-off switches and keeping you hassle-free with seamless transitions. This is the simplicity of the AirPods magic.